That's a thumbnail, dude.
Fuck. Shut your mouth. They don't need to know my name. They don't need to know your name either.
Oh, dang it. Well, you're not going to like this video then, Dylan. It seems that San Luis Obispo District Attorney has already given me your name, and you are not hard to find after that. I must say, I was not expecting as many inspirational quotes from a person that behaves like this.
I'll fight all five of you at the same time. Just because you can do something doesn't mean you should do something.
Well, looks like you should take your own advice there, Dylan. Just because you can throw a temper tantrum and break someone's camera doesn't mean you should.
Alright, folks. Here we have another classic example of a cowboy who busted his ass all week, thinks he deserves to sleep in on a Saturday. Well, I'll tell you what. You sleep in on a Saturday or any day, you ain't no cowboy. Here we have the residence of a one Dylan Machado. Oh, and I am so tempted to just roll in there and pound on his door, that little door right there. Oh, that's right, at his bedroom. But you know what? I ain't gonna. Nope, I ain't gonna. Because I don't want Santa to bring me cold this year. But just know this, that is the only deterrent. And maybe because your girlfriend probably whipped my ass, but...
I'm Dylan Machado. I'm from San Luis Obispo, California, and I'm an agriculture communications major at Cal Poly. The events I compete in for the Cal Poly rodeo team are saddle bronc and team roping. After I graduate, I plan to continue rodeoing in the PRCA and run my own cattle operation and fence building company. Being at Cal Poly has given me the skills, connections, and experience needed to be successful in starting my own businesses.
I'll break it again.
Dude, you're going to get sued, man.
I don't care.
You're
I
going to
don't
get
have
sued.
anything to my name. I'll break it. Get that thing out of my face.
No expectation of privacy in public, dude.